Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of STEM Podcast. Today's subject, the endocrine system. Today we have two world-renowned scientists, Saket and Ahmed. And we also have Dr. Yashio today as well.
Thanks for inviting us, Justin.
Alright, so what exactly is the endocrine system?
The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce hormones. These hormones regulate homeostasis.
It's amazing. And wait, what is homeostasis and what is a hormone?
Well, Justin, homeostasis is basically when the body maintains balances that are important for functioning properly. If these balances aren't maintained, they can lead to serious problems.
For example, hormones are basically one way that the body maintains homeostasis. These hormones are signals sent by the brain and different glands sent throughout the body. These hormones regulate hormones, reproduction, mood, and energy levels, things like that. So in a nutshell, hormones are signals that your brain and different glands send throughout the body to maintain homeostasis.
Wow, that's some pretty big brain ideas from your body right there. Alright, we have a question right here. So we have a question from Flat Earther 123. We have, where is the endocrine system in your body and how does it work?
Well, as shown in the image above, the endocrine is a system in your body that is made up of different glands. Each gland sends substance like hormones throughout the bloodstream in order for the body to function properly.
One gland in particular stands out, the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland sends signals to hormones and to the rest of the body. In my time, patients have had many problems with their pituitary gland, and it affects them badly.
So how important the endocrine system is. To add on, the endocrine system and cardiovascular system have a close relationship. Aldosterone and antidiuretic hormones regulate blood and fluid balance, making sure blood pressure is maintaining homeostasis.
Wow, the endocrine system is so cool. Are there glands in it?
Well, yeah, of course. Isn't there a gland for everything? Starting from the top, we have the brain, which, although it really isn't a gland, it starts the whole message. And as mentioned before, we have the pituitary gland, the master gland. As we go down, we meet the pineal gland, which is the internal clock. And then we go down to the thyroid gland, which regulates metabolism. We go down to the pancreas. Yeah, we go down to the pancreas, which pretty much maintains proper glucose levels. And then the adrenal glands, which releases hormones that maintain homeostasis in the bloodstream.
Additionally, the endocrine system and immune system work with each other. Hormones released can influence immune cells, ensuring that the immune system works properly and balanced. Some hormones, like adrenaline, are released in times of stress by the endocrine system so the body can have more oxygen. Additionally, thymus gland creates a hormone, thymosin, which develops and matures T cells, a form of white blood cells, which defend the body and helps it mature.
Alright, let's break it up with some questions. Alright. We have one from Bill Nye the Guy 123. It says, what happens if any of these organs in the endocrine system break down?
Great question. Sometimes in the endocrine system, the adrenal gland releases too little of a hormone called cortisol. This can cause dehydration, skin changes, and you can develop a disease called Addison's disease. People around the age of 40 can develop this by eating processed and fried foods.
I knew a person with Addison's disease. They didn't have the healthiest lifestyle. Kids at home, always remember to eat your veggies and play outside if you don't want to end up like that.
Another disease is Cushing's disease. Cushing's disease is when the pituitary gland overproduces too much cortisol. This can cause back pain and arthritis.
Well, that's all the time we have today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed today's podcast. Thanks for coming here today, guys.
Pleasure's all ours, Justin. Hope the viewers learned something today.
But we have a few questions for those at home. Let's see. What are hormones? What is the main gland in the endocrine system? And how do hormones maintain balance in the body? Well, keep that in mind, folks. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.